Hey everyone, welcome back to Motivate Wealth, the place where we talk about all things life, money, and how to avoid those oh no moments. If you're all about living smarter, not harder, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our videos. Let's dive into the 10 mistakes that could cost you big time. We're not just talking pennies and dimes. We're talking about those big, I wish I knew that earlier kind of mistakes. So buckle up. Mistake number 1. Think skipping the doctor is saving you money? Think again. Neglecting your health can lead to huge medical bills later. Remember, folks, an apple a day keeps the bankruptcy away. Neglecting regular health checkups or a healthy lifestyle can lead to serious health issues later on. Chronic diseases, for instance, can be costly to treat and manage. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental health care are essential for long-term well-being and financial stability. Mistake number 2, drowning in debt. Credit cards can be like quicksand. The more you struggle, the faster you sink. And those interest rates? They can be scarier than a horror movie. Accumulating debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards or payday loans, can lead to a dangerous cycle of never-ending payments. It's crucial to manage debt wisely, make timely payments, and avoid borrowing beyond one's means. Mistake number 3, investment oopsies. Putting all your eggs in one basket? Bad idea. And don't even get me started on those too good to be true schemes. Remember, if it sounds like a fairy tale, it probably is. Investing in high-risk areas without proper understanding or due diligence can lead to significant financial losses. It's important to research investments thoroughly, diversify your portfolio, and avoid schemes that promise unrealistic returns. Mistake number 4, educational misadventures. College can be great, but that degree shouldn't cost you a treasure chest. Choose wisely and remember, learning doesn't always mean a classroom. Pursuing higher education without considering the return on investment can result in overwhelming student loan debt. It's advisable to explore various educational paths, including trade schools or online courses, which might offer better value for money. Mistake 5, love and legal woes. From costly divorces to business blunders, these can shrink your wallet faster than laundry in hot water. Legal issues in personal relationships like divorces or business partnerships gone wrong can be financially draining. It's essential to have clear agreements in place and seek legal advice when necessary to protect your finances. Mistake 6, housing hazards. Buying too much house or ignoring maintenance. Hello, financial sinkhole. Remember, your dream home shouldn't be a nightmare. Buying a house that's beyond one's budget or neglecting home maintenance can lead to financial strain. It's important to buy a house you can afford and keep up with regular maintenance to avoid costly repairs down the line. Mistake 7, auto errors. Buying a new car that's too pricey or skimping on car care. That road leads straight to Money Pit City. Cars depreciate quickly, and unexpected repair costs can add up, so it's better to choose a reliable, affordable vehicle and maintain it regularly. Mistake 8, lifestyle inflation. Earning more and spending even more? That's like running on a treadmill expecting to reach a destination. Spoiler, you won't. Increasing your spending as your income grows can lead to a lack of savings and financial insecurity. It's important to live within your means, save regularly, and invest in your future regardless of income increases. Mistake 9, neglecting retirement savings. Ignoring your future self? That's not just sad, it's costly. Start saving now, or your future self might not be too happy. Not saving for retirement can leave you financially vulnerable in your later years. Starting to save early, taking advantage of employer-matched programs, and regularly contributing to a retirement fund are crucial steps. And mistake 10, mixing money and relationships. Lending money to friends or family without clear terms? That's often a recipe for disaster. Keep friendships and finances separated. It's often better to keep money matters separate from personal relationships or to lend only what you can afford to lose. There you have it, folks. 10 costly blunders that you'll want to steer clear of. Have you ever faced any of these? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Motivate Wealth. Remember, being money-wise means being life-smart. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more financial wisdom. Catch you in the next one. Stay savvy, friends! Thanks for watching.